Hey, I wanted to share my bunny pattern with you for punch needle. I've got Sassy Bunny and that's Professor Bunny. And I've got some different steps on how you make this pattern. This is first you're gonna trace it out and then you'll start stitching the black DMC floss. This is the back side. And now I'm gonna show you a picture of the front side and you'll be like, what? That does not look good. But as you keep going, you'll see you start filling it in and it starts to look better. I've cut around this bunny to be able to glue it to some fabric and put it in an embroidery hoop. Check it out. Now I'm adding whiskers. This was fun to do. The blue picture is the actual pattern that you're gonna trace onto your weaver's cloth. Now, if you're not sure on if you're ready to buy a pattern yet or not because you're not sure of your punching abilities, or if you don't know anything and you just want to learn how, I am offering a class on Udemy, Udemy. I will post a link in the comments. And if you are interested in it, you actually get the pattern for free. I'm going to show you, here is the Sassy Bunny traced out. And then this is after I've punched the outline. And then I'm going to show you the front side. And you're going to be like, eh. Again. And this is the back side. I'm starting to fill in the glasses. And then you'll see it's starting to come together. That's the front. And before you know it, it will be perfectly finished, framed, and ready to hang on the wall. So if you want to know more about how to punch this pattern, you can buy it on my Etsy shop. It has step-by-step directions, the pattern in there, the supply list, everything that you need to get started. So thanks for watching and happy punching!